Teal of Lagarde Technologies. In our workshop, we will walk you through the basic installation of non-sound and sound digital decoders. This is the first part in a series of basic to advanced decoder installation. Let's go to the shop. There are many new types of locomotives on the market today. Not only that, there are many of the older locomotives that hobbyists are looking to upgrade to DCC and sound. With that said, the model railroading industry has been answering the call for an economical and easy way to add sound and DCC to new and existing locomotives. So let's get started. In our first installation today, we're going to install a non-sound decoder into the Intermountain UB18 locomotive. The decoder we'll install is the Digitrax DH123D non-sound decoder, and we're also going to add a JST 9-pin connector to 8-pin connector, and this will go into the NMRA 8-pin socket. And for the second installation, for the Genesis SD60M, we will be installing a Soundtrack Tsunami EMD 710 along with its accessory 1-inch round speaker. For our digital command and control, we will be using the Digitrax Super Cheap set, the DCS 100 as our main controller, the DT400 as our super throttle, and also a programming track booster, the PTB100. The PTB100 amplifies the programming track signals to a level that works best with the Soundtrack's digital sound decoders.